In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship on Shopee with Aliexpress 2025 step by step. We'll walk through the entire process from account setup to getting paid, so you can follow along even if you're brand new. First, make sure you have two accounts ready to go. You only need a basic buyer account on Aliexpress. Then create a Shopee seller account through the app or the website. During setup, choose a clear store name, add a reliable pickup address, and connect a payment method so Shopee can release your earnings later. Next, find products on Aliexpress that already prove they sell. Look for high order volume, ideally 500 or more, ratings of 4.5 stars or higher, and plenty of photo reviews. Prioritize listings that offer e-packet or, even better, Aliexpress standard shipping for dependable tracking. Consistently strong categories include phone accessories, home and kitchen, beauty tools, pet supplies, and car accessories. Avoid branded or copyrighted items to prevent takedowns. Before committing, open the product page and set your target country. Check the shipping cost and estimated delivery time. 7 to 20 days is a solid window for most buyers. Now add the product to your Shopee store. In Seller Center, choose Add New Product. Use the Aliexpress page for reference, but rewrite the title to be clear and keyword rich. Use clean images without watermarks and simplify the description so it fits your market's language and expectations. Set your price by adding up product cost, shipping, and Shopee fees, then layering in your profit. As a quick benchmark, many niches work at 2 to 3 times the Aliexpress cost. Optimize your listing so it converts. Include relevant Shopee keywords, concise bullet points, a size guide if applicable, and short FAQs. Enable free shipping and vouchers if your margins allow, as these can lift click-through and conversion. When a customer orders, Shopee holds the payment and the order lands in to ship. Do not mark it shipped yet. Head to Aliexpress, place the purchase, and enter the customer's Shopee address. Ask the supplier to treat it as a dropshipping order and not include invoices or promotional materials. Once the seller dispatches, copy the tracking number, paste it into your Shopee order, and then mark it as shipped. Whenever possible, choose Aliexpress standard shipping for smoother tracking. After delivery is confirmed, Shopee releases your funds. Your profit is simply your Shopee price minus the total Aliexpress cost and platform fees. That's the full cycle. Repeat with more winning products to scale.